Yay! Thanks, Captain Quark. Woohoo!
Ocean man, take me by my hand, lead me to the land.
You know, ever since the rocket sled, you've been nothing but a big pain in my... God!
The city is doomed, Commander Fistfight. I poisoned the water supply.
Actually, because you poisoned the water supply, we discovered that the city's pipe infrastructure is really severely outdated. So, bringing our attention to that, millions of people could have gotten really sick over the next few years. Secondly, because you snuck past the security system so easily, we found out that funds specifically for that security system were being embezzled by government officials, so we busted a major fraud ring. And finally, the pathogen you unleashed does give people mild diarrhea, but we found it also is a great source of vitamin C.
Okay, whatever. Take this.
You fixed my shoulder.
God damn it.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear.
Will you shut up? We are not going to die. Aphelion, engage gravimetric stabilizers. Alright, so we're gonna die. Freak out. Freak out. Hanging on the cold hard ground. Ah, trouble, trouble, trouble. Ah, ah.
You are so adorable.
I am not adorable. I'm serious and formidable. Aww. Captain Quark, quit moving me out of the way.
I wanted to be a cowboy, baby. I wanted to be a cowboy, baby.
Is Scott here?
You know what?
Bye.
He just left.
Really?
Move, I'm gay.
Hang on. You are. Whoa. If you love me, let me go. Jesus Christ, it is Captain Quark. I decided.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Clank.